Greetings, franchisors and founders. I'm Mary Thompson, Chief Executive Officer of BNI, and I'm really looking forward to seeing all of you at the Emerging Franchisor Conference that will be in Austin in November. I'll be closing out the conference on November 20th by doing a session on how we as leaders build high-trust organizations that create high growth. How do we purposefully communicate to give clarity to our organization? Why is the right mix of empathy and accountability needed to create trust? And what are some real-world actions to include responsible franchising that builds trust with our franchise owners and our teams? Lastly, we'll close out on considering and thinking about the shadow that we cast as leaders, making sure that we're doing what is ours to do. I can't wait to see all of you there, and I'll see you soon.